Congrats on the purchase of your all-new scooter cargo trailer by the Scooter Accessories. In this video, we will go over the unboxing and assembly of your new trailer. Please note the part number for each piece to be assembled. After removing all pieces from your box, review the parts list provided. We will start with installing the trailer grab bar, part number 3, with the kickstand bracket, part number 8, to the front end of the trailer. The front end has the white reflectors. First, install bolt number 6 into the trailer grab bar. And then into the kickstand bracket. Then attach it into the trailer frame. Install the washer and nut onto the bolt. Install the remaining bolt number 6 into the top hole and tighten both bolts with the provided wrench. Next, we will install your kickstand. Remove the wing nut and bolt from the kickstand bracket. And slide bolt through the very top hole on your kickstand. Tighten down the bolt with the provided wrench, but don't tighten it down too much, so you'll be able to easily adjust your kickstand up or down. I'm going to lock the kickstand in the up position with a removable pin to keep it out of the way for the next step. Next, we will install your trailer hitch ball and receiver adapter. We will need to disassemble it to install the hitch ball. Remember how this was assembled, as we will have to put it right back together after this step. Pull back the spring-loaded ball lock and install it like this. Now, reassemble the hitch ball and adapter. On the other side of this assembly, there is a pinch bolt to keep the spring-loaded ball lock from disconnecting. Tighten this pinch bolt into the assembly. Next, we will install the wheels. Remove the rubber cap from the axle and dispose of this cap. On the trailer frame, there is a spring-loaded lock pin. Simply push this lock in and slide your wheel axle all the way in and release the lock pin. Check that your wheel is locked in place and repeat this on the other side with the remaining wheel. Lower your kickstand and we will insert your removable trailer basket. Lastly, we will install the trailer cover. Simply place the cover onto the top of your trailer basket and attach the 4 Velcro straps around your frame. Install the receiver adapter into your scooter's accessory receiver and you are on your way. If you have any other questions regarding the assembly of your scooter cargo trailer, call AutoMobility store at 1-800-431-3183.